Let's have a quick overview of what you have studied today. In today's lecture, you have learned the different sections of a report in detail. In terms of the organization of your report, you are supposed to prepare different sections and subsections of a report. There are 9 different sections of your report. Number 1, title page. Number 2, executive summary. Number 3, table of contents. Number 4, introduction. Number 5, discussion. Number 6, conclusion. Number 7, recommendations. Number 8, bibliography. Number 9, appendices. First comes the title page of your report that carries the title. It has all the required information. The submission date of your report. The addresser's names comes first, then the addressee's name. Next is the executive summary. It covers aims and objectives of your report, the methodology you employed, main findings after analyzing your data, conclusions and recommendations. Next is the table of content, that is well-formatted list of all the sections and subsections of the report. The first major section is the introduction. It provides a broader picture of the whole report, its scope, its background, probing questions and limitations of your report. 2 methods can be used for organizing your body. In reductive report, number 1 is title and executive summary. Number 2, introduction. Number 3, conclusion and recommendation. Number 4 is discussion. And the 5th one is references. Whereas in the inductive report, number 1 is title and executive summary. Number 2, introduction. Conclusion and recommendation comes at number 4. Number 3, discussion, and the 5th one is references.